how to block unknown caller on Android. If you are tired of receiving anonymous calls or calls from strangers on your Android device and you want to block it, it's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. Before I start, this procedure might be slightly different depending on the Android device that you are using, but in this case on my phone, I'm going to navigate and click on my phone dialer. Then on the top right corner, I'm going to click on these three dots, then continue to tap on settings. A list of options will appear here. I'm going to continue to click on blocked numbers. Then with this selected, I'm going to continue to click on unknown. As you can see, it's block calls from unidentified callers, and that means you won't receive calls or text from blocked numbers. That's it. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.